This is a Kajabi course demonstration on once you've completed building your course, how to actually view it as a customer, because that user experience is so essential to understand. So hey there, Tim Peakman here, and I am a Kajabi hero. I'm a Kajabi fan. The definition of a hero is anyone that's earned over $1,000 on their platform, and I've been using this platform for the last few years, building not one but multiple online businesses and helping clients build theirs using this awesome platform. And that's why I've created this program, How to Create a Kajabi Course Step by Step, to help people like you actually get started on this platform and get up and running with your first online course. But before we dive into any of the training, I first of all want to make you an offer. I want to offer you 30 days extended free trial of the Kajabi platform. That's over double the 14 days free trial available to the public just by using my link. Yes, it is an affiliate link. All that means is part of your payment will come back to me in support of this channel at no extra cost to you if you go over those 30 days. But you can simply get access. Go to timpeakman.com/Kajabi. And as a thank you from me, I'm going to grant you free access to my program, Kajabi Unboxed. This is what I would do if I was starting a new Kajabi account today. What I would do first, second, and third to open my account up and set it up in the right way, ready for scale. But if you continue to be a paying customer of Kajabi and go past those 30 days, reach out to me, tim@timpeakman.com. I will also grant you some awesome sales page templates. These are the sales page templates I use in my Kajabi account. You can simply download them and upload them into your account and use them in your business. But that's it for now. Let's dive straight on into the training. Hope you enjoy. So here we are now inside my own Kajabi account, and this is one of the courses that I'm going to demo on how they actually present. And if you're happy with that, a top tip here is if you are creating a course for your students, it's imperative you understand how it presents for the student. So yes, we can click preview. Yes, we can have a look how it presents, but what I like to do in everything I offer is add myself to that offer as a student. So add your personal email into your Kajabi account and then grant to yourself that offer. Because if you remember, products and offers are separate. You have to grant yourself an offer to get access to that product. So I am one of these students inside this program. So I can then navigate to the login page, log in, have a look at the library, see how it presents as a student would, because that customer experience is so important, and then click through. So I'm just going to demo how this program looks. This is my live Kajabi Unboxed program, and this is how it looks here. I have a short intro video here, and then I have 3 sections: set up your account, crafting your products, and creating your offers. And in each one I go deep into actually how to do that thing. So it's setting up your account in the right way, ready for scale. I have left on the header here because this is a free program. Someone might not be a customer of mine, so they can click through to coaching, have a look at my Kajabi. And then at the bottom here, I do have a footer as well. To the right, I've kept my logo here, Kajabi Unboxed. And again, I've got my instructor bio here. And then I do have a program, the complete webinar blueprint that I'm cross-selling inside of this product as well. So the first one, set up your account. All you need to do is navigate. You click into it and then have a look at this program. So again, it's the Premier theme. It's really simple. There's just a play button here. This is a how-to on how to actually start with your simple branding first. This is a little short description here, and then comments on anyone that wants to comment on this. And then people can navigate through the categories here, or the lessons. And again, have a look down the right hand side. You can put whatever you want down here in the customization. But if I was to go into the categories breadcrumb here, you can just see there's 3 categories. But if I was to click back into Kajabi Unboxed and then as a student, start course over, all I would do is go straight through to the first lesson, and then it would navigate me to the next and to the next. And try and encourage comments wherever possible in your program so you can get that feedback that you need, so you can either improve something that you've missed out, or you can get that engagement to motivate people to actually progress through and complete your program. So that's it. Hopefully you found value in this training and you can actually take action on something. If you haven't yet, open your Kajabi account, head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi, get 30 days free and take it for a spin and start building out your course today. And I look forward to seeing you on the next training.